Okay, let's go over how to generate a week's worth of content. From the dashboard page, when you go to Posts, you'll be able to see a calendar page, similar to what ours looks like, but there shouldn't be anything here if you're new to the experience. On the top right, you'll click Generate Posts. From here, you'll have two options, but for right now, we'll go over the Smart Content Plan. The Smart Content Plan is able to take all of your business knowledge and understand what works best for your business, whether that be unique tags, unique hashtags, also CTAs, hooks, everything that we do, we have it all working in the background to make sure that every post that this creates for you is going to be authentic to your brand, but more importantly, is going to be more converting. From this next selection, you can choose image, video, or story. In this case, we'll go with image, which is going to be used for Facebook, Instagram, Blue Sky, and LinkedIn. Here you can go ahead and select the platforms that you want to use. I will choose Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Next comes the content style and the final page that we use for generating a week's worth of content. The content style is able to add an additional flavor to all of the posts that get generated. For example, if you want to do a holiday season, this is going to be a festive seasonal content with the holiday spirit. It was just Christmas time, so you could do this for Christmas. If you would like, you could type in your own way of doing a prompt, and this will guide the agent in the background to understand more about what you want to post about and have the flavor be based around that. For us right now, we'll go ahead with holidays. We can choose the 1 week or the 2 week option. For us, we'll go with 1 week of posts, and then we can do, let's go with February the 2nd. If you're able to use this, the Smart Recommendations was able to learn from all of the posts that have done very well so far on your page. This is going to run in the background while we generate posts, see what works best, and then additionally tag in those additional details to each post. Once you're ready, and when you have your style selected, or you don't even need a style for that matter, if you just want to run it based on your business knowledge, then you can have a more uniform approach. But we'll go with a holiday approach for now. When we're generating these posts, we do a couple things in the background. The first thing is that we analyze your brand. Your brand has a lot of different factors to it. We know you have your brand context, the hours of operations, the website, the strategies, the services, everything that goes into your brand. We use that as context or additional information when generating these posts. Additionally, we have your content pillars. So if you want to talk about your services for automation, AI, images, video, which is our personal styles, then we would use those. For your brand, it's going to be very different, of course. Then we go into your demographics for your audience, where we learn more about what demographics work best. We have your smart scheduling set up, which is going to be finding the best times to post at, and then learning from your top performing posts what the best times are to post. And then the final step is going to be generating the content and then finalizing the plan, which we have two agents running in the background who are going to be arguing against each other to make sure that this is the correct post for your brand. Once you have your brand posted, we can go to February, which is where I had it posted, and we can also see that it also generated images for us. These images have already been generated from our library, so it will try to tie in images that relate to your posts. In the next section, we'll go over how to use and edit certain posts. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at support@getpylot.com, and we'll reach out to you within 24 hours.